Money isn't just about numbers, it's about behavior. And that's where most of us get it wrong. Let us explain it a bit. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that how we handle money isn't always logical, it's emotional. Your experiences with money, whether you grew up rich, poor, or somewhere in between, shape the way you save, spend, and invest. No two people view money the same way because no two people have lived the same financial story. One of the book's key lessons is that success with money isn't about making perfect decisions all the time. It's about making fewer big mistakes. You don't need to be a genius to grow wealth, you just need good habits, like saving consistently, avoiding unnecessary risks, and giving your money time to grow. Patience and perspective matter more than intelligence. Wealth is less about how much you earn and more about how much you keep. It's about controlling your impulses and focusing on the long term rather than chasing short-term gains. The key? Save consistently, live below your means, and take the long-term view. True wealth isn't about flashy cars or big houses, it's about freedom and peace of mind. In the end, money is a tool, and the way you use it reflects your mindset, not just your math skills. Hence, it will not be wrong to say, master your behavior, and you'll master your money. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel for more valued content.